Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a collab, and our collab theme is called Don't You Care. Get it? Donut? See donuts? Okay, anyways, so this collab is going to be with my friends Candace from Candace Hampton, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, and Tara from Tara Beauty 36. And I have collabed with all these wonderful ladies before, and I am excited to be doing another collab with them. I always have so much fun. So clearly this theme is about donuts, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do icing tiers because I really don't know what else to do. So that's what we're gonna do. I did already prep my face, so we're gonna get right into it. I am going to use a pen. Where is it? I am going to use this gel pen pencil thing. Yeah, I got this in a BoxyCharm, but this works pretty good. This is a bright hot pink, and I'm going to use this to outline some tears. Okay, so I kind of tried to make it look like dripping icing because like donuts icing, I don't know. So I'm going to fill it in a little bit with the same pencil here. I'm going to attempt to give myself some pink eyebrows, and I say attempt because we all know I cannot do eyebrows. Okay, I'm going to take a Q-tip and kind of rub the paint pen in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to start layering up some colors. I am first going to go in with this palette here from Hampton. This is Spring Fling. They have this gorgeous birds and bee color here, and I'm going to fill in my icing tiers with that. Put some more like droplets of icing, I think. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with another color. Imagine that. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this Sweet Tooth palette from Hampton, and we are going to use the color Hard Candy. I So now I'm going to go back in with Spring Fling, this pink color here, and this is the Spring Fling palette. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with Sandy Beach. Okay, so I got some linky eyes going. I'm going to try to fix it with the paint pen here, or pencil. Okay, so my eyes are just going to water, so I'm just going to leave that. Now I'm going to take this blue paint pen that I got here, and I am going to, actually I really don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to use it around my eyes and maybe on my lips, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm moving on to the next thing, even though my eyes are watering insanely bad right now. I am going to use this glitter right here. This is Seat Linden I Lust. Is that right? It's cream eyeshadow. There you go. Okay, so that gave it more of a wet crying look, which I kind of wanted. And now I'm going to outline the tears in black and add a little more stuff to my eyes. And I literally brought in every single opened black eyeliner I have because a lot of them are starting to run dry and I just kind of want to use them up and I don't know which I'm going to use. I'm just going to go through them. So, yep, that's what's happening. Okay, so now I'm going to do lashes just because it's going to make it easier for the next step. I think I need more eyeliner. I think I'm going to do that on my eyes. Hold on. Okay, so now I'm going to put on a little mascara and I'm going to use Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Okay, so now we are going to use these lashes. Where are they called? I don't know what they're called, but that's the ones we're using. Okay, we'll get some eyelashes and I'm going to lighten this lip color up a little bit with this color here. This is from Sugar Pill and color Kiki. Alright, so now we're going to actually glue some sprinkles to my face. And I'm going to just use some eyelash glue, a Q-tip, and sprinkles. This is my don't you care look. Yeah, what do you think? Do you think that looks like icing on my face? I hope it does. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do not forget to check out the other ladies' looks. I know they will be fabulous because it always is. Otherwise, can I get in my mouth? Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.